Hi everyone. Today I'm just going to show you how to use your portals. I'm going to take you through how to set up your blogs, how to access your portfolios and add Word documents and PowerPoints to those, and also how to answer assignments and send them to your teachers. So to start, if you just want to go over to your portals, and here just log in. And this will then bring you to your My Site. Okay, so on the left-hand side here, you're going to see a list of all your classrooms that you're involved in. And these are classrooms that your teachers will have invited you into. If you think there's any classrooms which are missing, you can always go on Find a Class. And here you can type in your class or teacher name, which school you're at, and then that will automatically bring up those classrooms for you and you can add yourselves to them. Okay, so to access your portfolios and blogs, you can see them on your My Site at the top here. So if we start with the blog, so as you can see, this one's already been set up. I'm logged in as Alison Taylor. She has a banner image at the top. She's given her blog a title as A's blog. She has one blog post already. And at the side here, there's a little profile, so she's been able to upload an image. She's written a little bit about herself and what her blog is going to be about. For now, if I just show you how to personalize your blog so it becomes your own, we have things called easy buttons on the left-hand side here. And this is just going to allow you to add posts to your blog or change the colors or the pictures. So if you press the theme easy button, here you can either pick one of our default images, which you just need to click on, or you can press the camera icon. And here you'll be able to upload images from your own devices, your iPads, or your phones, or your laptops. So I'm just going to stick with one of the default ones. Here, if you don't want boxes around your posts, you can either have them simple, where they'll look like this, or boxed, which will just put little boxes around them, like that. So that's completely up to you how you want it to look. You can show your title of your blog or not, so if we hide it, as you can see, A's blog has now disappeared, but in this case we'll show it. You can change your banner colours and your banner styles, so maybe you actually want your picture to be centred, like that. Okay, so if you want to add a picture of yourself to your blog, again there's the camera icon. You can just press that and upload an image from your phones or your laptops or whichever device you're working on. It's nice to put a little bit about your blog, so maybe add something else on here. There'll always be a little tick, and once you press this, the updates will be changed. Now to add a new blog post, again it's the easy buttons at the top here. This one's in red and it says new post. So if you press on that, and if you want to create a blog post while you're watching this is perfectly fine. You can go along with me. You can just add a blog post title, so if we call it history reflection, you can say when you want it to be the date for. So if you want it to be posted in 2 days maybe, you can change that here. But for now I'm going to post it today and keep it like that. If you're writing a blog post and you don't want it to be live today, for example, if you don't want your teacher to see it yet, if you want to go back and edit it, you can save it into draft. And as I said, this means no one can see it until you publish it. And then there's categories. So these categories you'll be able to see on the right hand side. And what this does basically is it helps you find different blog posts, it helps you keep them organised. So we do recommend putting it into a category. You can either select the ones that are already there, or you'll be able to create new ones. So maybe this will be thoughts for the day, or you can put them into different subjects, so English or history. So I'm going to put it as for ideas. To add content, you just type straight into the browser. Okay, so as you can see, we've put a bit of content in there. At the top here is your text formatting ribbon. So these are exactly the same. You can bold things, maybe you want this bold. You can adjust them if you want things centered and aligned. You also have the option of adding images. So at the top here in the ribbon is an insert. So if you just press that and go to picture from computer. And this will enable you to upload again any pictures. So if I just upload an image, press OK. You can give it a name if you'd want and press save. And now the image you'll see in your blog post. If you want to upload any Word documents attached to this blog, any extra projects that you may have done, there's an upload. You can go to documents or pictures, whichever you want. You can also copy from your OneDrive, your Google Drive. But if you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm mentioning these things, your OneDrive, your Google Drive, don't worry about it. It just means that you won't have to use that. And then press publish. And this will automatically put your new blog post onto your blog for you. And that will be live for everyone to see. People will be able to comment on it. You'll be able to copy it to your portfolios if you wish, which I'll show you in 1 second. So there is the new blog post. And here is the copy to portfolio option just next to the edit here. And this allows you to push this blog post to your portfolio, and that'll automatically be in there for you when you log on to that. And now we put it in the ideas category. So if she comes back and she remembers doing a blog post for ideas and she wants to have a look at it, but it was 20 blog posts ago and she can't find it, she can just press ideas, and there you go. There's the blog post on history reflection. Okay, so next I'm just going to quickly show you how to edit a post or delete it if you no longer want it on there anymore. So you just press edit. You can change any of the content, and then you'd either publish that, or maybe you're not quite happy with the post anymore, you don't want it on your blog, you can press delete. And there you go, that's been taken off the blog. If you had pushed it to your portfolio, it would also be taken off the portfolio. And now she's just left with this one blog post, which was her original one. Okay, so that was just a really quick overview of the blog. Next, I'm going to take you to your portfolios to show you how to add documents and how to edit items and things like that. So if you want, you can just head over to your My Site now and click on the next video, and that will take you through that. Okay, thanks guys.